Nestlé's Dairy Plan is working with farmers around the world to help reduce emissions and support farming through regenerative agriculture practices. A key part of the plan looks at what cows are fed and how the feed is grown and managed, with practices that improve soil health, lower greenhouse gas emissions from feed production, and help farms cope with changing climate conditions. In Brazil, farms like Fidenza Marinho are proving that balanced and carefully grown feed starts from the soil up.
Já na lavoura, a gente vem implementando formas sustentáveis de produzir alimentação do gado, que se consiste em plantio direto, sob a palhada, que a gente já vem implementando a cada ano, e a gente vem percebendo um maior crescimento.
Nestlé supports farms like Fidenza Marinho with hands-on technical expertise and regenerative agricultural practices. That includes helping farmers transition to using certified deforestation-free soy and implementing regenerative agricultural practices on the rest of their feed crops, such as corn. Through supply chain mapping, certification, and on-the-ground verification, Nestlé is working to build deforestation-free feed supply chains. In Indonesia, local forage and corn-based silage are helping farmers improve productivity and cut reliance on imported, resource-intensive feeds. With Nestlé's support, many are now improving their cows' diet while lowering costs. Nestlé works with cooperatives and small farms to improve feed planning and make better resources more accessible.
Untuk masalah perut sapi sudah pakai tabon jagung, dikasih rumput fermentasi, dan ada mesin chopper, ada kipas, dan terlebih lagi kan sudah agak nyaman sapi yang.
In Chile, grazing with diverse grass species is boosting biodiversity.
Respecto a la salud del suelo, hemos observado que el mantener praderas polifíticas y la minimización en el uso de la labranza han permitido que nuestro suelo tenga una mayor capacidad de retención de agua y la estructura del suelo se mantiene de mejor.
These changes don't just reduce impact, they protect productivity during drought and heat. How a cow digests and how feed is produced account for the largest share of a dairy farm's emissions. Nestlé is taking action through science, supply chain collaboration, and direct farm support.
So we have identified the cattle feed ingredients which have higher carbon emission. We are replacing those with low carbon emission ingredients so that the cattle feed becomes more efficient in carbon terms.
By improving the composition of cow diets, we aim to improve productivity of dairy farms and contribute to lowering greenhouse gas emissions, part of our broader commitment to supporting our dairy farmers. Together, we are helping shape regenerative dairy farming.